All right, this is Harry Griffith with Tightwire. We've got a do-it-your-own deal. If you've got a small cracker box welder or whatever, you can make this item yourself. And we've got the items that you'd have to use a plasma cutter, the more difficult items that we've got made for you at a $225 package. That's your trailer hitch. It's really a good well right in there. Now, once you've got these parts right here with the rod and the hold down plates, all you got to do is get you some angle iron. We've got the dimensions there for you. Drill a hole in the middle of both of them on both ends of the angle iron so your rod will stay and hold that. And then of course the rod goes down through this plate and holds this for your unspooling. All right, so then you get a 2.5 inch tube right here, weld it on the bottom, come up at the top, weld it at the top. Same thing as this angle iron right here. Now you need to drill this angle iron to match these hold down plates before you go welding it on. Makes it a whole lot easier. You mark them, drill them, and of course you spool the fence out, and then you put this hole down and you can pull it tight. That's the only reason you've got this. So it's that simple item. Now on this tube end, you got to put a stirrup, about a 9-inch stirrup. You just weld that right there with the holes already drilled. You slip this trailer hitch in right here. We send you the bolts. Actually it goes like this. We send you the bolts. You hook it in there, and you got that bolt, that hold down. You got a $600 item, or you can make them taller. You got an $800 item. So there's no sense in us sending you tubes through. We'd have to freight it, and we're trying to compete with these Chinese, this Amazon kind of shipping deal. We can ship this whole deal in one box for $20, and we pay that. So all these items right here will fit into that box. You have to thread and screw these back together. You weld it anyway, so you weld this back together here. You got an item right there. Shipped in one box. Go down to Steel Supply, buy you a couple of pieces of this, cut it up, drill it, weld it. You can do it. But we recommend the rod welder with 8014, which is a farm equipment rod, or you can use a MIG. Of course, with a MIG, you get a better weld with a rod, but you can weld it with a MIG. Now, if you're just, anyway, if you're just doing a light work, you could get a little less. This is real quality right here. 1/4-inch tube. You don't really need 1/4-inch tube on this item if you're just running it for your farm. But you can build as heavy as you want to, and as expensive as you want to. But anyway, we appreciate you trying to keep this American product, made in America. Thank you for your business.